Hello sweetie, welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. If today is your first time tuning in, you are highly welcome. If you like what you see in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. I will be sharing with you how to cook your crayfish fried rice in a simple way, shall we? In a clean pot, add in your cooking oil. You can always use any oil of your choice. Let the oil to hot for some minutes. Now you can add in your chopped onions. This onions is going to be fried for 2 minutes because I'm taking it out from the oil after this process. Then after adding everything, I will give it a good stir and let this to fry for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes of frying the onions, this is the outcome. So here is the onions. It has fried for 2 minutes now. So all I will do is to take a bowl and add the onions from the oil. So here is the oil. Now I will be adding my washed rice. This rice has already washed, so I will
but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's all.
At this point, you can add in your water. I just added my stock water and now I'm just adding fresh water. If you have your stock water with you, you can always make use of it, and if you don't have, you can always make use of fresh water, that is clean water. So just stir and it's ready to cook. Now you can cover this rice to cook for just 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the rice and check the outcome. Just look at it. The rice is still there cooking, and this point is not ready. So I will just give it a little bit of stir, then add in the red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper and tomato. Is doing, just look at our rice is ready. So now it's ready, and I will give it a good stir. Just take a good look at this fried rice. Just take a good look at this. This is just a local way and a simple way you can cook your crayfish fried rice at home with just few ingredients. Your rice is ready. Give it a nice stir until the fish and the rice gets combined, until everything touches the body of everything. You know what I mean. So just give it a good stir and it's ready to serve. No time to waste, my people. Just simple and easy recipe for everyone to enjoy. Our rice is ready. Now you can dish out for you and your amazing family to eat. So this is good to go for any occasion of your choice. Anything you are using this for is ready to serve you. If you are cooking it at home, if you are cooking it for your get-together, it's ready to serve you. This is one of the easiest way I always cook my crayfish fried rice. So if you like this process and you will be cooking your rice like this, your crayfish fried rice like this, with a local fish like this, just drop it in the comment section. Thank you for watching this obonge recipe. If you really enjoy watching, my darling, don't forget to share this post to your lovely family and friends. I know they will like to watch it too. I will be seeing you in my next one. Keep loving yourself and always remember that Lady B Kitchen love you. See you in my next one. Bye bye.